Hi everybody, this is Mr. Duncan in England. How are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. In today's lesson, we are going to take a look at some things that we use in our everyday life. Something that comes in very useful when we need to add up, or subtract, or multiply. In today's lesson, we are going to talk all about numbers. The word number derives from the Latin numerus, and the numbers we use today originated in Arabic form during the 8th century. The original design of the numbers was based on geometric shapes. The amount of angles used in each character showed the number value. So, number 1 has just one angle. Number 2 has 2 angles. Number 3 has 3 angles, and so on. These Arabic characters have changed very little over the years and are now used by everyone, everywhere. There are many ways to express a number. It can be expressed as a word, as a symbol, as a figure. A number represents a particular quantity or amount. You count using numbers. Calculations use numbers. This is called mathematics, or maths for short. In American English, it is pronounced as math. Numbers express quantity. Numbers express dimensions. The height, width, length, circumference, and even the appearance of an object can be expressed using numbers. The weight of something, or the mass of an object, is also expressed as a number. There were 200 guests at the wedding party. The tree is 10 meters tall. The field is 100 meters wide. The pole is 15 meters long. The circle is 10 inches in diameter. The house has 2 doors and 8 windows. I weigh 11 stone. Time and distance are also expressed using numbers. How long something takes to occur, and when it occurs, and how far away something is, or the distance between one thing and another, can all be expressed using numbers. In mathematics, we use numbers to make calculations. Numbers can be added to each other. This is called addition. We express this calculation as plus. For example, 5 plus 4. The result is expressed as equals. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. We can take one number away from another. This is called subtraction. We express this calculation as minus. For example, 9 minus 4. Once again, we use the word equals to express the result. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. We can also multiply one number by another. We call this multiplication. The symbol is expressed as times. For example, 5 times 9. Once again, we show the result by using equals. So 5 times 9 equals 45. The reverse can also be done by dividing numbers with each other. This is called division. We use the divide symbol to show this. For example, 50 divided by 5. So we express this as 50 divided by 5 equals 10. It is common to replace equals with is when expressing a calculation. We can say that 5 plus 4 is 9. All of these calculations can be described as basic equations. Expressing large numbers in English. 100 is 10 times 10. 1,000 is 10 times 100. 1 million is 1,000 times 1,000. 1 billion is 1,000 times 1 million. 1 trillion is a million times a million. So, if you were the richest person in the world with $90 billion, it would take 8,500 years to count up to 90 billion. That is mind-blowing. Numbers are very useful for making lists. You can make a list of items while numbering them and writing down each item with its number next to it. To number something is an action. When counted, numbers always come in a certain order. This is called numerical order. For example, the order of numbers between 1 and 10 is always the same. You can count up from 1 to 10, or you can count down from 10 to 1. Expressing position with numbers is often done as a way of announcing the results of a contest or competition. Dates contained within each month are also expressed in this way. Let's have a look at one month in particular. August has 31 days, and each day is numbered in the following way: 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. A number can be described as a numeral, a digit, a figure, and a cipher. People measure the progression of their lifespan by using numbers to express their age. We can work out how long it will take to get from one place to another by using speed and distance. Once again, this is expressed in numerical form. In your daily life, numbers are relevant. To calculate your monthly salary, you multiply the number of hours you work with the rate you are paid per hour. Most home addresses have numbers in them. Your house number, your phone number, your insurance number, your passport number, your date of birth, your lucky number, your unlucky number, your lottery numbers. It would appear that numbers figure in our day-to-day lives a lot more than we realise. Are you good at mathematics? Some people find maths difficult. Some people prefer to make calculations by writing them down on paper, while others are able to do them in their head. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video. This is Mr. Duncan in the birthplace of the English language, saying thanks for watching me, teaching you, and of course, until next time, ta-ta for now.